In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI agent for sales using HubSpot, Slack, and Relay.app in a live build. Whether you're a sales manager, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who loves to streamline processes, today's tutorial is for you. So let's get started without further ado. First, you'll want to open up a web browser and navigate over to Relay.app. This is your starting point and the central hub where all the magic will happen. If you haven't done so before, you might need to sign up or log in. But once you're in, you'll notice the dashboard is designed for ease of use, guiding you through the necessary actions to construct the workflows you need. Now, let's turn our attention to HubSpot, a comprehensive platform that integrates various arms of your business like marketing, sales, and service teams. HubSpot will play a pivotal role in our agent build. Once you're in, find and click on HubSpot within Relay.app. This step connects these two powerful platforms, setting the stage for our agent to access and utilize your sales data effectively. Next comes the trigger edition. Think of a trigger like the catalyst that activates your whole operation. By clicking on Add Trigger, you're telling the system the specific condition under which the AI agent will spring into action. Typically, this could be something like when a new lead is added or when a deal closes. Defining the right triggers ensures your agent responds precisely when you want it to, automating routine tasks and saving you valuable time. Now, let's dive deeper into the Apps section. Clicking on Apps opens up the possibilities for additional integrations, further expanding what your AI agent is capable of doing. This integration is fundamental as it will link your AI agent to various tools and platforms, making it more dynamic and responsive. Finally, we'll return to clicking on HubSpot one more time. This is akin to refining the connection, ensuring that all the pipelines are open and functioning correctly. By doing this, you're creating a seamless flow of information between Relay and HubSpot, a crucial setup for your AI agent to work efficiently. In the context of using Relay.app to build an AI agent for sales, it's really an exercise in creativity and strategic planning. With every connection you make and every trigger you set, you're essentially crafting a smarter, more agile approach to handling your sales processes. The combination of HubSpot, Slack, and Relay.app empowers your team to focus more on strategy and less on repetitive tasks, boosting productivity and driving better results. So, keep experimenting with different configurations and discover what works best for you. Thank you for joining today, and happy building!